Today I will show you the easiest way to connect crimp beads with tigertail wire. Take 2 crimp beads and carefully put the crimps in the tigertail wire. Slot in the tigertail and the necklace clasp inside and out from the hole and push the tigertail wire back in the crimp beads, making sure it goes in both the crimp beads and out at the end, so it's secure. Now you can see it's all in place, ready to tighten up the wire. Once you think the wire is in place in the loop, tighten up the crimp beads by pressing with the plier very close to the necklace clasp. Pull the wire and clasp to check if it's strong and secure. Finally, cut off the excess short wire close to the crimps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.